Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I'm participating in Saturday Morning Makes, which is hashtag satmornmakes hosted by Jill Norwood. I made adorable Valentine's Day treats for my son's teachers. I use My Favorite Things, Die-namics, My Favorite Things, Nugget Label Window and Frame Die-namics, and Paper Tree Ink Zipper Border Die. I also used pattern papers from Doodlebug, Lots of Love, and my scraps from Soap Honey collection. Here I already die cut the papers that I will be using to create my treats. I die cut my pattern papers and also the pink cardstocks using the largest die from My Favorite Things Die-namics. Now I'm going to die cut two openings using dies from Nugget Trio Die-namics and Die-namics for our Hershey's Nuggets and chopsticks. I'm going to tape down the dies on the paper and then I will just run this through my die cutting machine. And now I have two openings. I will do the same thing on the other die cut pattern papers. Next, I will use those openings so I know where to place my tier tabs. The Nugget Trio Die-namics comes with tier tab die, and there is also coordinating die for the lip balm. But I don't have that, so I'm just using the Paper Tree Ink zipper die. So I'm showing you here. So I'm just gonna tape those down, remove the pattern paper, and then I will just run that through my die cutting machine. And here are the tier tabs. So that's what they're gonna use to open the bag so they can get the treats. I also die cut some of this that will go on top of the pouches, and I use so these are the dies that I use. I use red glitter cardstock, and here I'm showing you the Nugget Hershey Nuggets. I got that from Sam's Club, and these are the pouches that I'm going to use. So this one is the Trio Nugget pouches, and then the lip balm pouches. And here is the one that I'm going to use. I also got this from Sam's Club. It's the chopsticks brand, and I think this one comes with 12 individual sticks. As you can see here, I already have my Hershey Nuggets wrapped with pattern papers. The Nugget Trio Die-namics comes with the die that will cut the wrapper, and it will fit perfectly. And now all we need to do is assemble it. I'm going to add my pouch or pouches in the opening, and then I will just add some adhesive on the back of the pattern paper, and I will adhere it on top of the pink cardstock, and I'm going to sandwich the two papers together. And now I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure it's adhered well. And I can also add my red glittered frames around the pouches. I'm going to die cut an opening on the upper middle part for my twine or ribbon. So I will just tape it down and die cut it. I used this Happy Valentine's Day sentiment from Tim Holtz stamp set, and I stamped that on white paper or white cardstock with VersaFine Onyx Black ink and distress it with Kitsch Flamingo Distress Oxide ink. And now all we need to do is adhere the sentiments, and here I'm just trying to center it. I added foam tape so it has dimension, and then the gummy bears ephemera or die cuts are from I think Soap Honey or Lots of Love collection. and I'm just going to do the same thing on the other ones. And the last thing to do is add my twine. I have 3 strands of different colors of twines from my stash, and I will just tie it on the opening so it will look like treat tags, and add a ribbon in the middle. I didn't show here, but I also stamped to and from in the back of the treats, and I will just let my kids add or write their teacher's name and their name. And here are my adorable Valentine's Day treat tags using dies from my favorite things. So my son is here with me. Do you think your teachers are gonna like it?
Yeah.
Yes? And what do you say?
Happy Valentine's Day to you all.
So my son says, Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope you like today's project. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.